Hello guys, we could not install some updates because the PC was turned off. Error appears when you are installing updates on your PC. It occurs due to issues with the Windows Update services and interference from antivirus software. Running a Windows Update troubleshooter and installing the update via the command prompt can fix this issue. So here we will bring you some workarounds for your problem. Go through these one by one. And the first workaround is go to Windows search and type ms configuration and open system configuration. We will perform a clean boot on your PC. Click the services tab and check the box for the hide all Microsoft services option, then click the disable option. Thereafter go to a startup tab and click open task manager. Select the startup programs and click the disable button. Startup apps, look for enabled apps, right click on it and choose disable button. Apply same procedure for all the enabled startup apps and check whether your problem is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Disable one by one. And the next fixes is run Windows Update troubleshooter. Open Windows Settings app, press Win plus I shortcut key to open Windows Settings. After update, disable, restart your Windows system. Open Windows Settings. Under System Settings, go to Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Then click on Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on Run. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the procedure and restart your system after fix this issue. Your problem will appear here. Click yes and close the troubleshooters. The next fixes is reset the Windows Update processes. Go to Windows search, type command prompt and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. Press yes and in command prompt window execute these 4 commands one by one as you saw on screen. Net stop and one by one followed by enter key. All these commands will also available in my video's description. You may copy from there. After these 4 commands successfully executed, then again execute this command also. First these 2 commands ren c. First each times after enter command press enter and wait. First these commands, thereafter second commands, and after that previously we have net stop command executed. Now net start command we will execute. Once all the command executed, restart your system. The next workaround, if not your problem is still, disable Windows firewall. Restart your system. And the next workaround is disable Windows firewall. Open control panel. In control panel we choose Windows Defender firewall option. Click the turn Windows Defender firewall on or off option from the left side and go to the private network settings and public network settings. Then click the radio button for the turn off Windows Defender firewall, not recommended option. This will temporary. After that you should turn on Windows Defender firewall. The next workaround is go to disk cleanup option and clean up your C drive, clear all caches, temporary files, temporary internet files, make the check against all and choose OK button. After that, restart your system.